Right, well, come on. Alright, up. See what I mean? It's like, it's really scary.
Pull the tray out.
It's gonna rip.
Pull the tray out and turn it upside down. Yeah, I've got them good. Pull the tray out and turn it upside down.
Then you just hold that bit. So it's gonna go flying off. Okay, got him. Turn it upside down. Just like,
In the box, in the box.
no, upside down. Right, got him. That isn't gonna come off.
Michelle.
This will come off. This will be fine. I'm glad you're already in it, not me. Have you got like foil or something?
I've got some foil.
Yeah, this will be fine. I'm not sacrificing my pizza.
You mean you're going to eat it?
I'm gonna eat it.
It's raw.
It'll be fine.
Go on, lift it up.
Careful, it's hot.
I didn't mean with your hands.
Let's try.